Welcome back to Homework Help with Miss Gore. Today we're going to be talking about our Unit 6, Day 5 homework. We're talking about our exponential equations. So in number 1, Bobby buys a new car worth $42,000. The value of her car depreciates 15% per year. And I want to know the value after 6 years. So notice that I am depreciating, so I am going down in value. So when I write my formula for my exponential decay, I know that instead of adding, I will subtract to make sure that my value goes down. So y equals my initial amount, 42,000. 1 minus. Now remember, we need to take our rate and we need to convert this into a decimal. So minus 0.15, all raised to the power of 6. So plugging that into a calculator, I get $15,840, 0.27966. I'd like to round that always, since it's money, to the nearest, nearest dollar in this case. So my answer, $15,840. So 6 years, that's quite a hit on that value. So let's talk about number 2. Billy is purchasing a diamond ring for Christmas. The purchase price is $9,500. What is the value if the ring appreciates 8% in a year, meaning we are going up in value? How much will the ring be worth in 10 years? So this time, when I write my exponential formula, I'm going to account for the fact that we are going up. So I am going to add my R value. So 9,500 is my starting amount, plus my rate. Again, we are turning 8% into a decimal, and we want this after 10 years. Plugging that into a calculator, I've got 20509.78747. I do want this to the nearest dollar, so y is equal to $20,510. All right, let's skip down to our review problem, our number 4. It says, solve this system algebraically using an appropriate method. So my choices are either using substitution or elimination. Now, looking at this equation, I notice that my y is alone. So I am going to take this y value here and I am going to plug it in. So I'm going to use my substitution method. So 4x minus 2 times, and let's plug in my new value, negative 2x minus 1 equals 10. So I'm going to distribute. I am going to combine my like terms and move my 2 to the other side. So I now have 8x equals 8, giving me that my x is 1. Now that I know my x value is 1, I'm going to take that, I'm going to plug that back into either equation, and I'm going to say that y equals negative 2 times 1 minus 1. So y equals negative 2 minus 1, so my y value is negative 3, giving me a solution of 1, negative 3. Now I'd like to check that solution by plugging it into both equations and making sure that it works in both of them. And it certainly does. So let's move on. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.